Thank you for the opportunity. Now I want to present it about our paper. The title is The Effect of Personal Budgeting and Financial Literacy. The first author is Kades Senturi Cahyani, the second author is Ida Ayu Nabila Medina, and the third author is Dewa Madi Juni Antara. Next, the introduction about this paper is the development of digital technology has changed the way people manage their financial and investment, especially among Generation Z. Data from KSSI show that Gen Z dominate Indonesian investor with a percentage of more than 15.4%. They are very familiar with technology, but many still have consumptive behavior and do not understand investment risks. This study focused on two important factors that influence on Gen Z investment discussion, mainly personal budgeting and financial literacy. By understand and manage financial properly, Gen Z can make more rational and responsible investment discussion. This study was conducted in Bali because this area has high concentration of young people who are digital active and indentation. This study also supports the goals of SDG, especially in the field of education and economic growth. The next is problem formulate. The first is, does personal budgeting affect Gen Z investment discussion? The second is, does financial literacy affect Gen Z investment discussion? And the third is, do both affect simultan? The next is research objective. Testing. The first is testing influence of personal budgeting on investment discussion, and the second is testing the influence of financial literacy on investment discussion, and the third is testing the simultaneous influence of both on investment discussion of Gen Z in Bali. The next is theoretical basis. This paper used theory of plan behavior. This theory was developed by Agent 1991 and state that individual behavior is confused by three main factors. The first is attitude toward the behavior, is an individual evaluation of a behavior. The second is subjective norm. It is a perception of social pressure from the source in the environment. And the third is perceived behavior control. It is an individual belief in their ability to perform the behavior. This theory is used to understand how Gen Z investment intentions are formed through internal factors such as financial management and financial literacy. That's all about my presentation, and continue with my friends. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue the presentation. The next topic is the method. This research is an associative research or causality relationship. This research data was obtained through distributing questionnaires to Generation Z in Bali, which were distributed directly and through Google Form using a Likert scale, as well as secondary data from official websites that can provide supporting data. The population of Generation Z is 1.1 million people. Sampling in this study using the abstract sample method. The sampling technique used is based on the Slovene formula with a maximum tolerated error of 10%, thus obtaining a sample of 100 respondents. Data collection was carried out in Bali province on weekdays. Data collection was carried out by distributing questionnaires through social media networks. The analysis used in the study used multiple linear regression analysis techniques by performing several classical assumption tests, regression tests, and hypothesis tests assisted by measurement tools using the SPSS version 26 application. The next is the result. Validity test using SPSS version 26. A statement is considered valid if the significance value is less than 0.05 and the R count is greater than the R table value of 0.1966. Based on the results, all items in the variables of personal budgeting, financial literacy, and investment decisions are valid. So, the result of this research is the first, the influence of personal budgeting. Personal budgeting has a positive and significant influence on Gen Z investment decisions in Bali. The regression coefficient of 0.332 indicates that the better the ability to manage the budget, the better the investment decisions taken. And the second, the influence of financial literacy. Financial literacy has a stronger impact with a coefficient of 0.602. This means that good financial understandings encourage Gen Z to invest more rationally and in a planned manner. And the last is for combined influence. These two factors explain 72.9% of the variation in investment decisions, while the rest is influenced by other factors such as income or social environment. That's all for me. The presentation will continue with my friends.
Hello, my name is Dewa Madedu Juniantara. I will continue the presentation. So let's start with the discussion. So research show that financial literacy with beta 0.602 and personal budgeting with beta 0.332 have a significant effect on Gen Z investment decision in Bali. This result is in accordance with the theory of planned behavior, where financial knowledge improves the ability to evaluate investment instrument and budgeting habits create more funds to invest. Both factors explain 72.9% of investment decision, indicating the dominance of internal influence. Novelty of our research is the first is examines the investment behavior of the under-researched tech-savvy digital native generation or Gen Z in Bali. Second is to introduce influence of personal budget planning, a factor often overlooked in previous investment research. And the third is link finding to sustainable development goals, specifically financial education and inclusive economic growth. The limitation of our research, this study only involved 100 Gen Z respondents in Bali. So the findings do not necessarily reflect the Gen Z investment behavior nationally. The use of the self-report questionnaire method has the potential to contain bias, such as the tendency for respondents to provide answers that are considered ideal. In the scope of the study, which does not include important factors such as the influence of social media or change of investment behavior in the long term. Next, continue with the conclusion. This study proves that personal budgeting and financial literacy have a significant influence on investment decision of Generation Z in Bali. With key findings, like we stated before, beta 0.6 for financial literacy has a greater impact than personal budgeting with beta 0.3, confirming the critical role of financial literacy in the digital investment era. Both factors explain 72.9% of variation in investment. The evidence strengthens the theory of planned behavior, especially in terms of behavioral control through financial planning and literacy. This strategy supports SDG 4, which is inclusive financial education, and SDG 8, about youth participant in the digital economy. The suggestion for future research is recommend to use larger and more diverse sample, longitudinal data, and mixed method approach to gain richer insight to Gen Z's investment behavior. Also including additional variables such as financial technology use, peer influence, or behavioral bias would also help better explain the complexities of financial decision making among the youngster or young investor. I think that's all presentation from our group for about our research paper. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for the reviewer also. I will close this presentation with good night.